Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, I just want to share my tiny accomplishment for reaching and passing 100 subscribers. Yay! Okay, celebrating by myself and with all those people who's already been through this one or who's still struggling. Few more subscribers, you guys could do it. It takes a lot of work, but it really pays off, and YouTube definitely knows what's going on, because they really would send you an email like this, and waking up to see this email is absolutely priceless. Anyway, when I found out this email, actually it was like few weeks after reaching 100, so right now I'm happy to announce that I'm on 130 something. And I just realized from other YouTubers that when we reach 100 subscribers, some other features are unlocked. Okay, so one of them would be about having your personal URL. So let's go ahead and check that out and see if we could actually do that in our channel here. So I'm pretty sure that will be under channel feature eligibility. This is via YouTube Studio, by the way, and status and features. Let's see that. All right, so where does that go? I think this is the one. Let's see about this custom URL. So this one is enable. Let's see what happens there. Claim it here. See? Oh wow, so it would look like this. Looks nice. Okay, actually I was wondering how many YouTubers do this thing. I have checked few, some of the famous YouTubers I know. So let's check. Let's see.
They promised.
No, not that thing. So let's check. Who do I know here? I think Gary V. Okay, one of my favorite YouTubers and speakers, motivational speaker. So Gary V's channel. I don't know if he has this done. Maybe he's just too famous enough, you know. Maybe Audrey. So let's see hers. I don't think. Yeah, they don't. So basically, maybe this is something that nobody pays attention to. So maybe let's see PewDiePie. Okay, let's see. Oh, look. Let's try. Oh, he's 10 years on YouTube. That's really inspiring. Anyway, so he's got this URL. It depends on people. If they don't really pay attention to that, then they don't have to change it. But if you're someone who's really, you know, looking after your baby YouTube and you want to take care of it, and as much as possible, you want to grab all those tiny little opportunities that pops in and out every time you accomplish something, then let's go ahead and discover this thing. So going back, if you want just Hey Xinn or you want something else, I think I would go for something else. Okay, I just want to add something. So Hey Xinn official, is that a good one? Or Hey Xinn channel? Nah, very obvious one. So Hey Xinn official, Hey Xinn Productions. That sounds very fancy, you know. Here we go again into the part that we're naming something and we're too anxious about it. How do we name it? So let's see. I have read and agreed to the custom URL. I haven't. Okay. Let's be good here.
So let's see about that. You must need yes. Okay. Maybe sold. Yes. Right to change. Okay. Okay, so it's free for now, but we may start charging fee for them. However, we will tell you before we start charging and give you the choice to stop participating first. Oh, guys, this is something that they're still trying to give away for free, so get it while you can. And they might actually charge it. Maybe that's the reason why a lot of people don't really do that, you know, do that thing. So anyway, so let's just try to do it so that we could benefit from something that was unlocked. Anyway, they said here they're going to be informing us once they try to charge us from this thing. Okay,
so here, and let's add the word official. There, I think we're good to go. So let's change that thing. Oh, sorry, that was a failure. Okay, Hey Xinn official. Nah, I don't like it that way. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay, just put something like that. I think it's good. Good to go. How can we see it? Maybe I should, I don't know, sign out or switch account. Let me see. what happens. So let me check this about Hey Xinn. No, doesn't work. What's happening? So how do we actually see that? That's a big question. I have to figure it out. So let's not panic, as we have to be all right with that. Or maybe it kind of takes time. I don't know. No idea. How about we go to settings? Let's see about that. Yeah, I think it works. Okay, so I think it works. So what we could see from here, that is my custom URL, right there. Yeah, it works that way.
They promised
Okay, but I just wonder why it didn't work the same way as I tried it a while ago. But yay, congratulations. Anyway, but yeah, it appears up here. Okay, so I think I like it that way. You know, it kind of makes me feel you know, that I achieved something. Okay, so I think it's nice. All right, so thank you very much for tuning in until this part, even though I struggled a bit in trying to realize how to really see the modified URL or the customized URL. Anyway guys, this is just a very short message for anyone who's watching it, whether or not you're a YouTuber. Okay, let's not give up. Let's always try to pull ourselves together, and challenges would be there. They would break us and they would try to pull us down, but all we have to do is trust in ourselves and be strong. Okay, we got this thing. So you have to be consistent. You have to show that you really want what you're doing, okay, or you're really serious and passionate about what you're doing. So it's not just a matter of I put a lot of effort in it, it doesn't work. Yeah, maybe there's something wrong. Maybe you're just putting effort, but you're not giving your best, or you're really not loving what you're doing. And as for me, that's a very big problem. When someone just puts a lot of time in it and not really passionate and serious about what they're doing, I think the result is not very positive. Keep doing good contents, keep giving good service if you're doing any business, keep making good products if you're doing things like that. Have your integrity with you, and it's gonna be all worth it. So that will be all for today's video. I'm so happy to share this great news with you and to spread this message with you. And yeah, goodbye.
I really hope you find this video useful, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to see more of my upcoming videos.